headache you've ever had feeling. Every step was just painful.
At 5 o'clock in the morning, we're about to catch our bus.
The start of the trek.
To the start of the trek.
I got a fire in me, you're gonna set to burn. And we got a world to see, and all the time to learn.
Well, now we are located at 3,650 meters over the sea level. And this is for the altitude sickness.
I got a hole to fill, and it's in the shape of you. Dirt under my nails, strings coming loose. Oh, let's set out on our road.
Poor bugger's struggling up here.
Okay, about an hour into the hike, and we finally found flat ground, which is nice. Everybody was really struggling at the beginning of it.
And it's raining.
And it's raining.
Peruvian weather is particularly up in the Andes, is expect everything. I could be wrong, but it looks like we're walking off to our accommodation. Hola! Yep, I think that's it.
Made it to first base camp.
Here we are, eh? High five, high five.
High five.
Yeah, we made it. Thank you,
Yeah.
love, we're still here.
Made it.
Made it.
10 kilometers. And this is our home for the next night. Oh, look at them.
Jeepers.
Lucky number 7.
Let's see our home for the night.
I don't want to get my shoes in it. I don't want to get dirty. This is our home.
Wow.
See how far we can go. Through a car window, to the top of the world, I'm holding on. We'll see how far we can go.
Get inside.
It's a good place. What?
Shoot on heartbeat.
Oh,
Yeah, no, it's really good. Potato soup.
potato soup.
Potato soup.
Right after lunch, we made the hike to Laguna Humantay at almost 14,000 feet, when I'm pretty sure the altitude began to really knock me around.
I'm not filming to be a cow. Yeah, he had a painkiller. You ready? Listo?
I got a fire in me, you're gonna set to burn. And we got a world to see, and all the time to learn. Oh, let's set out on our road. We'll see how far we can go.
It's so cold.
We're in our rooms in little huts that we showed you earlier today. The sun's gone down now and it is freezing. We're ridiculously cold. We have good sleeping bags and we're going to wear, I think, everything we own on this trip to sleep tonight. So
It's about 10 hours of hiking tomorrow, and it's the highest altitude that we'll hit.
hopefully I do better with it. Hopefully you do
okay.
as good as you were today, because that was fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll say good night now. We'll try and get warm and we'll catch.
Wish us good luck.
Wish us good luck. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. Morning. We had a pretty terrible sleep last night because it's like,
Freezing.
I think it's probably about -5 degrees, and we have 10 hours of hiking today. So, cheers.
How are you feeling this morning? Got your coca leaves?
That's how I'm feeling. We are hiking to elevation of
4630.
4630.
4,630 meters, which is about 15,000 feet.
So, all the way up there. Listo?
Listo, I think.
Let's set out on our road. We'll see how far we can go. I got a hold of film, and it's in the shape of you. Dirt under my nails, strings coming loose. Let's set out on our road. Let's see how far we can go. Through a car window to the top of the world.
Oh, damn it.
Okay, chicos. We need to enjoy together because 6 people are gonna say goodbye, right? Okay, I'm gonna say vamos, and you must to say a la playa. Keep going, okay? Vamos!
Good morning. It is day 3 here on Salkanty trek. It's 6:10 in the morning, 10 past 6. We got an early morning wake up call at 4:20 to have Bricky put our extra luggage, and now we're trekking through the cloud forest on our way to Santa Teresa.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road. Above the rest, you're the best I know. You are my favorite shade of rose. A flower bed on my favorite stones. I love the ground where your roots have grown.
You right
You're
now?
my
Cautiously walking.
On the death cliff.
On the side of the landslide. Not here. I mean, it's a landslide, so anything can potentially happen.
Everybody take the bus?
almost at the end of our hike. We've just passed through the cloud rainforest, and now we're about to stop for a little rest and get some Peruvian coffee into us.
You are my favorite kind of glow. You radiate my favorite tone. You shed a light that guides me home.
Hola. Welcome to Aguascalientes.
So tired.
This is a town that you hike up to for 4 days, and we finally made it. I don't know how many hours that there are, but we hiked. I'll put it somewhere down here, somewhere.
How many hours and how many kilometers?
And now we're at our hostel in Aguascalientes, so we're gonna wait for our luggage to come via van. It's been a good hike here, we've had fun.
On the train, yeah.
And then we're gonna have dinner later on. And
apparently we're having dinner in a nice, fancy restaurant tonight.
And then tomorrow is Machu Picchu. Made it.
After 5 seriously long hiking days.
Yeah, we're at Machu Picchu now. It took me 35 minutes to walk up the stairs to get here. It took Laura
I took the bus.
20 minutes to get up the bus, and we've been walking around here for most of the morning. It's been really misty, so we haven't been able to see any of this until about 45 minutes ago when the clouds have finally disappeared. But now it almost feels like it's about to rain.
Again.
So Peru kind of gets like 5 weathers in one day. But yeah, welcome to Machu Picchu.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this week's video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Don't forget to tune in next week as we go sandboarding in northern Peru.